Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork nilaga. This hearty Filipino soup is known for its clear broth and tender ingredients, making it a perfect comfort food. We'll walk through selecting the best pork cuts, preparing your vegetables, and simmering everything to perfection. Get ready to create a truly satisfying meal that's both simple and incredibly flavorful. Let's get started on this delicious culinary journey together. First, let's gather our ingredients. For the pork, aim for about 2 pounds of spare ribs or pork belly, cut into 2-inch pieces for even cooking. Next, prepare your vegetables: 1 medium cabbage, 2 potatoes, and 2 plantains, all cut into large, bite-sized chunks. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. In a large pot, sauté your onion, garlic, and ginger until they release their wonderful aroma. Then, add the pork pieces and brown them on all sides. Pour in enough water to cover the pork, bring it to a boil, and then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let it cook for about 1 hour, or until the pork is fork tender. Next, add the potatoes and plantains, cooking for about 15 minutes before finally adding the cabbage. Finally, it's time to finish and serve your delicious pork nilaga. Taste the broth and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper until it's perfectly balanced to your liking. Ladle the hot soup into bowls, ensuring each serving has a good mix of pork and vegetables. It pairs wonderfully with steamed white rice for a truly comforting and complete meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.